Prime Minister Narendra Modi wished soldiers, veterans and their families on the occasion of Army Day today. Acknowledging the bravery and professionalism displayed by the Indian Army, Prime Minister Modi said that words cannot do justice to their invaluable contribution towards national safety. Best wishes on the occasion of Army Day, especially to all courageous soldiers, veterans and their families. The Indian Army is known for its bravery and professionalism. Words cannot do justice to the invaluable contribution of the Indian Army towards national safety, quoted Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a tweet. India celebrates Army Day on January 15 every year to acknowledge the importance of the Indian Army and honor the sacrifices of soldiers. On this day in 1949, Field Marshal Kodandera M. Cariapas took over as Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Army from General Francis Butcher, the last British Commander-in-Chief of India. Indian Army personnel serve in hostile terrains and are at the forefront of helping fellow citizens during humanitarian crises, including natural disasters. India is proud of the stellar contribution of the Army in peacekeeping missions overseas as well, Prime Minister Narendra Modi wrote on Twitter.